Hello Hivers, welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where a creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be making a cute and bright colored card using the Stargazing Designer Series paper, the Hello Ladybug stamp set, as well as the Stitched Shapes dies from Stampin' Up! Okay? Before we get started on our project, we have to go over our buzzworthy business of the day. So first off, we have the All the Best paper pumpkin kit. It makes 9 cards and comes with the acetate box to store your cards in. You have until December 10th to subscribe to get this particular paper pumpkin, and there is a link in the description box below for you to subscribe to the paper pumpkin kit. Next up, we have our mystery boxes. Again, these are the boxes that I have filled with new and used retired Stampin' Up! Product. It's about $200 plus or minus in these medium flat rate boxes from the USPS. I'm only asking $25 each. That's basically all shipping. I have to get rid of these boxes. They're taking up too much space, and I want the supplies to get a good home. So if you're interested, email me at stampwithshana@gmail.com and let me know how many boxes you would like. Lastly, we have our host code for November. This is the code I want you to use whenever you're placing an order with me. Unless your order is $150 or more, don't use this host code because you'll qualify for Stampin' Rewards, and Stampin' Rewards equals free product from Stampin' Up! And we don't want you to miss out on any of your freebies, okay? So that is all of our buzzworthy business. Let's get started on this project. So let me get my supplies here. We have, where are they? Okay, so here is, we have a piece of basic white that is 3 by 2. We have one that is 3.5 by 4 3/4. Then we have some basic black that is 5 by 3 3/4. We have one that is 3 1/8 by 2 1/2. Then another one that is 3 1/2 by 2 1/2. And then we have the largest, no, not the largest, the second largest Stitched Shapes circle die. And then we have another piece of basic black that is 3 1/8 by 2 1/8. Then we have our Designer Series paper. This is a 1/2 inch, and we're going to cut this down to 3 1/2. We have one that is, excuse me, 3 3/8 by 2 3/8. Then another that is 3 by 2 3/8. And then we have a 2 3/8 inch circle that I punched out using the circle punch, the 2 3/8 circle punch. And this was from the Designer Series paper, okay? So we're just gonna layer things that need to be layered for now. So we're gonna get our basic black to mat all of our Designer Series paper on. So this circle is gonna go on this circle. We're gonna have, now I have to make sure I get the right mats. Okay, so this one goes here. Woo, I have the dropsies again. Oh no, we don't want to start that up again. Okay, so now we have this. This is some pretty paper. This one goes here, just like that. We can get everything matted, we'll be good. Then I want to put some glue on here. And we'll put this on the white. Come on, stay down. Just like that. Then we'll take our scissors, trim that off. And, ooh, I wanted to stamp on this. I'm gonna go ahead and do it. I trust that I won't mess up. Oh boy. I'm trusting that I won't mess this up. So let's go ahead and layer this onto the mat here. And this one, we're gonna stamp first before we layer the mat, okay? So let's go ahead and get some stamping done. So I wanna stamp on this one first, I do believe. So I'm gonna get some lemon lime twist ink. And I'm gonna get the leaf here. You know what, I can do this at the same time. Let me get some scrap paper, some grid paper. Oh. Okay, so I'll get some grid paper, and I am going to, I think I want this on that side. I'm just going to put this right here, like that. And instead of stamping off, hopefully this comes out the way I'm thinking. That is way too light. Let's see. I guess when you stamp off instead of, yeah, that's a little darker. I like it like that. Okay. Good thing our paper has two sides. Okay, so I think that's all I needed the scrap paper for. Okay, so now we're done with that. For the inside, I want to stamp, I think Berry Burst. And I'm going to stamp Hello. And I'm going to put that right on the leaf here. Just like that. Okay, we'll put this berry, no, let me close it because I don't want to make a mess. So, because we're going to use that again in a minute, the Berry Burst. So, let's go ahead and put this inside of our card so we can get that out of the way. And we'll put the rest together. Oh, get it right there where my thumb was. And we have a card base here of thick basic white. It's 4 1/4 by 11, scored at 5 1/2. And we're gonna do it a landscape. Okay, that's cute already. So I want to finish stamping. Didn't I just say that? I'm already losing track of what I'm supposed to be doing. Okay, so I have some Blackberry Bliss here. We're going to take our Ladybug. We're going to stamp it right down here at the bottom, just like that. And the Blackberry Bliss, which is such a beautiful color. Then we're going to get our Berry Burst again, and we're going to take the body of the Ladybug and color the shell. So this is a two-step stamping. Now, if I get my head in here, excuse me, because I have to get over this to make sure I line it up correctly. It might be a little off. Hopefully it's not. Oh, that's almost perfect. I see a little bit of white, but that is really good. Okay. The last thing we're going to do is stamp our sentiment on the outside, and we're going to use that as your afternoon to stamp our sentiment that says, "You can bug me anytime." So we're going to ink that up, and we're going to stamp that right here at the top, just like that. And then we're going to close this up. We're going to layer this piece on its mat now. Layer it, layer it. Just like that. Now we can put the card together. So, okay, I think I'm going to take this one. You guys, I cut up my, like the host code that I show you, that paper. Once it's over, I use that as scrap. I'm going to show you in a moment. Let me show you. And I cut them up to 4 1/4 by 5. And I use that to sketch out my cards. So that is what I've done here. And then I measure it to see roughly what the size could be. Let's see. I want this up about right there. Okay. And then we're gonna take our circle and put it about right here. Let's see. Yep, that's where I want it. I'm gonna put this about like that. And then we're gonna get some dimensionals, some dimensionales. Oh, that's not dimensionals. And we're going to have some black ones. Okay. Wait, I think I seen black trim. We'll use that up first. I have the sheer ribbon combo pack in the Azure Afternoon, but I'm not sure if I want to use it. I'm gonna put this about right here, and I was thinking about putting some ribbon on here, but I don't know how I would do it. So do I want it on that side? Oh, I like it on the orange, on the pumpkin pie. I think that's what I'm gonna do. I think I want 3. No, I'll do 2. I'm gonna just cut a piece and fold it over. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Let me angle these ends a little bit. Move out the way there. And we will do it like this. And put it on the back here. Oh yeah, I like that. Where's my tear and tape? Again, you guys know me and tear and tape with the ribbon. It makes sure I have a secure hold. Okay, so let's fold that back again. And we're gonna put that about right there. I like it. Okay, so now we can do our dimensionals. So we're going to put quite a few dimensionals. Why? Because you guys know Shauna likes her dimensionals. If you don't want to put this many, guess what? You don't have to. When you make your card, you can do whatever you like. Okay, these are tiny. So we're gonna put quite a bit. You guys, I should have just got another pack with the big ones. I'll just keep using the little ones. I don't want this to sag anywhere. I guess we can put some on the, hold that ribbon down on the sides here. Okay, I'll get my take your pick tool to help me out with taking these backings off. Since it's so many, I love that you can see that you've taken the backs off because they're black. And once you take off the white backing, you know you've taken the backing off. So helpful. So helpful. Come on, the last one here. We don't need to peel off that tear and tape because we're not wanting that part to be flat on the card. I feel like I need to put a dimensional there though, but I won't. Our card is right side up. And we're going to put this about right here, like that. And you know the last thing we have to do is add some bling. So for our bling, I have the Tinsel Gems 4-pack, and it has Pretty Peacock, Blueberry Bushel, Berry Burst, and Lemon Lime Twist in here. And since I used some of those colors, I want to get a couple a couple I say, but whoop. I think I want to lift that up and put it a little more further in. I'll put 2 there. I'll put 2 here. And then I think I want, should I put 1 here? Yeah, I'm gonna put 1 there. And that'll be our 5, our odd number. And that is our card done. What do you think? I think it's super cute and fun and bright, right? Okay, you guys, that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I would like to thank you for buzzing by the hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.